How to zip a folder on Windows 10. Today I'm going to show you a very easy way of zipping or compressing a folder on Windows 10, and we will not need any additional programs. It's all built in Windows 10. So let's start. As you can see over here, I have a folder named folder over here, and in order to compress this folder, all we need to do is click on it to select it, and then we right click. Once we right click on the menu over here, we need to find send to, and once we find send to, we can choose compress zipped folder. We click on this, and as soon as we do this, our folder is already compressed. As you can see over here, we can change the name of the folder if we want, or we can leave the folder name as it is. Once we change the name, let's say test.zip should be added automatically, so you shouldn't change .zip to anything else, and then we press enter. And once we do this, once we pressed enter or we click outside, our test.zip folder is already here, it's already compressed, and if we want to open it, we need to just double click on it, and as you can see, inside of our zipped folder there is our normal folder, and whatever other files we have inside this folder are over here. So this is how you can zip a folder on Windows 10. Please let me know in the comments if this worked for you, and remember to hit thumbs up, subscribe our channel and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching.